I remember a young lady by the name of Liz, who is in admin, I think admin, who answer. And I tell her my story, and she called me on a Sunday. I couldn't believe, I was getting ready to eat Sunday dinner, and she called me, showing me how much, the school mean to her and the community, and what I think it would mean for me. So she invited me down the Monday, and I came. She gave me a tour, and love at first sight. And from then, I started in August 2020, and now we're in 2021, May, heading to graduation in June. And I can say, even before I do my internship, I got a job, just like that, making almost six figure, coming off the street, doing a 6-month program. This is just to say it is real, but this school gave me that platform to do such.